Hey there, YouTube. It's Fondway above us. What about there? See? Told you get to see some lightning. Just being careful I don't get struck. How come there's no clouds that way? I mean... Meow! Yeah, we gotta get some rain. Oh, that's scary. That's very scary. Okay, I flinched, my eyes kinda twittered a bit. This is tornado season, but as far as I've been here, tornado has never hit this town. Except when it hit the airport, and one time it almost hit downtown. Whoa! Whew! I'm not scared of lightning as much. I used to be. It's just fun though. Sounds like a big bomb going off for it. It's starting to rain. Whew! It's lightning.
Well, I ain't got nothing to turn on.
I know.
What it does.
No, I turned it off. Okay, YouTube. I love lightning. This is when it gets, the air kinda gets violent. Well, I better get going, YouTube. I'll see you later. Bye.